through it. And therefore, I will cut my bangs. It's the best coping mechanism in the world. I mean, what can I say? Cutting bangs, always a good idea. Especially if you're going through it. Look, I don't know what's wrong with me. I just have a lot of emotions lately. I just don't feel like myself. That's basically the thing. I don't know why. I think it might have to do with the fact that I'm back home again and I'm not living on a tropical island anymore. That definitely doesn't make me feel as good, you know? But also, I don't know. I just don't feel like myself. And I kind of was thinking, like, what can I do to fix that? Obviously, I could like go to therapy. I can like unpack everything in my life. I can make changes in my life, you know. I can do so many things, but they all seem like a lot of effort. And cutting your bangs is not a lot of effort, but you get a big result. So I'm gonna cut my bangs. Because also I feel like I'm just supposed to have bangs. I don't know why I keep growing them out. I don't know why I keep pretending like I don't want to have bangs, because I just think they're just... I feel like I'm just supposed to have short, tiny, mini bangs on my forehead. So I'm gonna try that today and see if it makes me feel like myself again. Like here. That'd be cute. Right? I feel like... Ooh, that makes my forehead look huge. Like this. I think that's gonna look really nice, and I also think it's gonna help stabilize my brain. Right? Right. Also, I need to show you guys something I made that I'm really proud of. Okay? So don't make fun of me for showing you this. Because I wanted to do some arts and crafts. So I made myself a lobotomy incense holder. Wait, I can show you. I'm actually so proud of it. Look, this is the ashtray, the eye, and then you get your incense and you put it there. And then this little tear catches all the ash from the incense. Can you tell that I'm mentally unstable right now? Okay, let's just do my bangs. Let's go. So, what we need for the bangs is obviously scissors. And I got myself some professional hair cutting scissors. Oh, can you hear the sound? Oh, these sound so much nicer than like the kitchen scissors I normally use. They're so good. These are actually really good. I just got them off like Amazon. They weren't even that expensive, so I don't know why it took me like 20 years to finally buy some new scissors. Also, comb, so I can comb my hair. Water. Earth. Then I got some hair clips. These are so nice. I got these from Minga London, and just look how cute they are. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I'm gonna use these. Put my hair to the side, because I want it to look cool, you know, while I do it. And then I also need my hands, which are here. Hello, hands. I think I might just do it in like steps and add a little bit of hair every single time, because I don't like to have bulky bangs. I also don't like it when they start like all the way from the back. Like, that's just not my vibe. I like them to be like a little bit tiny, just like a little front section like this. And to be them, yeah, for them to be like, just not too thick. I just don't like the look of that. I like flat, skinny legend Bella Hadid's baby bangs. Okay, step number 1, make a section, which I will do like this, and see where my hair falls. That's the professional way to do it. See where my hair falls? Okay. And then I'm gonna go this. You always gotta make like a triangle shape, I'm pretty sure. So that's what I'm gonna do. Again, I don't want it to be too far up, so let's stop that from happening. I guess that's pretty even. I feel like this looks even enough. Then I'm gonna wet it. I am wearing waterproof eyeliner, so that's good. I gotta be careful not to like cut off too much because it's wet, and when it's wet it lays way flatter than when it's not wet. I'm excited though. Oh my god, I love having bangs. Like literally, why do I grow them out like every single time? I don't understand myself. But to be honest, like I already know that like a week after I cut my bangs, I want to grow them out again. Because that's just how my brain works. I want to have them pretty short, but I'm just gonna start with like here, I guess. Just above my eyebrows, and then we can like blow dry them and then see how short they actually get. Because I think last time I had them like up here. So I feel like just above my eyebrows should be, it should be a safe zone, you know? It should not be too short. But beep beep beep. I know I've done this so many times, but literally every time I do it, I just get in complete shock. That's crazy. Okay, so the battery of my camera just died, which is literally couldn't be at a better time, you know, while I'm sitting here with half of a bang. But new battery, so we can continue on the bang ring. Do we like this look? Little asymmetrical moment. All these hairs everywhere. Damn, I feel like a completely new person right now. Let's just take these things out. Okay, not bad already. We just gotta blow dry it. And now you can see what it actually looks like. Obviously I still have to add more and I'm gonna make them shorter, but it's just the baseline, you know? Oh my god. This is already so much better. Why did I grow them out? What's wrong with me? Look at this. This looks so much better on me. And I'm not even done yet. Whoa, what the hell? What the helly? Okay, so what I kind of need to do is like, I need to figure out like, I need to figure out what I want, right? Because they are like pretty short right now. Like, do I want them longer? Do I want this to be cut off too? Or is it gonna be too much bang? Because I kind of like this vibe. Maybe it's just not enough. If I do it like this. I think I need to add more, no? I think I need to have this too. I'm not sure whether I regret that or not. I don't know. Do I? No, I think it still looks good. I just gotta fucking make it even because right now it's not very even. Okay. Calm down. We're just cutting bangs. We're just gonna do irreversible stuff to my hair, you know? So if I mess up, there's nothing I can do about it. Should I go shorter? I feel like I can. Let me look at it from a distance. Oh my god, I look so much better with bangs. I can feel like my brain slowly becoming normal again. Now I look at myself with bangs. Like this is just what I'm supposed to look like. Oh my god, I love life and everything is great again. Yay! But I will cut them a little bit shorter though. Just because I like cutting my hair. I feel like, are they lopsided or not? Are my bangs lopsided or is my side lopsided? Because I feel like it's going like this. I'm just gonna let my brain process what just happened. Because I always need a little bit of time to adjust. And then I'll be back and then see if I like need to change anything or not. Or if I'm just being crazy. Because honestly I think I might just be crazy. Because I think they look good. But also, do they? And also, they do. But also, I don't know. You know what I mean? Okay, I'll be right back. Hello everybody! My hair is finished. Also, yeah, I got my nails done today and I just scratched my chest and now it looks like I got attacked by a fucking bear. It's just me, don't worry, I'm doing fine. Anyways, my hair's done! It's the next day. I actually washed my hair yesterday because, I don't know, it was looking kind of weird. But after I washed it, it's looking fabulous. It's looking amazing. Did I do the best job at cutting it? Not really, because like you can see, I should have made like, this is too short. I don't know, it's kind of wonky. I've tried to like make it even, like make it straight, but it's just, my hair just keeps moving differently the entire time. So even though if I like cut it straight, like 5 seconds later it will just move and it will be like this. But I think if you just like look at it like quickly, it's fine, right? But yeah, I love it. Oh my god, Jesus, crazy. And then this is my hair behind my ears. Wow. Wow. And then this is when I put my hair up, which is actually my favorite. I love putting my hair up. I love that. I love just the bangs. And like put 2 little strings out and have my hair like this. Oh, cannot believe I was growing my bangs out. Also, I will for sure grow them out again. Because I was looking at pictures of myself without bangs, just like at the just the start of this video, and I was like, oh fuck, that looks so good. I wish I had that hair again. Because I always want to have something that I can't have. Anyways, this was today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all like my bangs. I know everybody already expected me to do this. It's not a surprise. I've been getting comments in DMs for months now saying that I will cut my bangs again. So, you guys were right, as always. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye.